lonesome since across the hill and o'er the moor and valley, such grievous thoughts my heart do fill since parting with my Sally. I seek no more the fine or gay, for each does but remind me how swift the hours did pass away with the girl I left behind me. Oh, ne'er shall I forget the night the stars were bright above me, and gently lent their silvery light when first she vowed to love me. But now I'm bound to Brighton camp, kind heaven, then pray guide me, and send me safely back again to the girl I left behind me.